Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to set up direct deposit on Cash App. If you're tired of dealing with paper checks or waiting for funds to clear, this feature can get your money in your account faster and more securely. It's perfect for paychecks, tax refunds, or any direct payments. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your smartphone and that you're logged in. Open the app and look for the building icon at the bottom center of the screen. That's your home for banking features. Tap on it to go to the Money tab. Once you're there, scroll down a bit until you see the Direct Deposit option. Tap on that, and Cash App will guide you through the process. You'll need to generate your account and routing numbers. Don't worry, it's easy. Just follow the prompts to create them. Cash App provides these details specifically for direct deposit, so they're unique to your account. Now, here's where you take action outside the app. Share these numbers with your employer or the entity sending you money. For example, if it's your job, log into your employee portal or give the info to our. They might ask for a voided check, but with Cash App, you can actually download a sample check right from the app to make it simple. After you've submitted the details, it usually takes a few days for the first deposit to go through, so keep an eye on your account. One quick tip. Double check that you've entered everything correctly to avoid any delays or issues. If you run into problems, Cash App has great customer support. Just hit the profile icon and look for help. Setting this up is a game changer for managing your finances on the go. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.